Hi everyone. So today in this video I'm going to show you how do you view my garage on eBay. So let's quickly get into the video. Okay, once you log into your eBay accounts, so once you're logged in, what you have to do is to access your garage, go to my eBay, scroll down and go to your summary. Yep, you can click on that. If you go to my eBay, click on your summary, and then here under your list here on your left, you will see my garage here. So this is the one-stop solution to all your automobile needs. If you're after for any spare parts or gears for your vehicles, this is it's a place where you can look for it, you can search for it. So this is your my garage page, and here you can search for anything that you need. For example, well, maybe a brake pad for yep, just for demo I'm using this for my car, some brake pads for my car. Search that, then it's you should be able to find all the spare parts or whatever that's available based on I just searched for some brake pads, so this is what I'm getting. So all it's a one-stop solution to all your automobile needs. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.